Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica LX. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in brilliant black. It looks great. You do have your Chrysler badging up front with your lights right there. They are very bright. Coming around the side here, we do have 17-inch rims with our Komu brand tires. They look great. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have your Pacifica and Chrysler badging. You can open it up right here. Looks great back here. Lots of room. Very nice seats. You can also fold them forward. You just gotta do the stow and go stuff. So you go one, then you pull number two like this, and it folds into the floor just like that. You can do the same with the other side and the front, and then you got tons and tons of room. Plus you do have additional storage here and here. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we got our panic button down there. It does also have proximity keyless entry, so if you have the key on your person, you put your hand in there, it will unlock for you. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Handle here, some storage, and some more down here with the water bottle holder. Looks great in here. Very comfortable seats. The seats are the cloth, very nice. You do also have the controls here, so backward and forward. There's also the tilt and the lumbar support. And then over here we do have the controls of our lights. So our off, our daytime running lights, our low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control here. And right up here we do have the controls over the high beams and the turning signals. Okay, let's start her up here. Foot on the brake, press the button, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have right in the center there, we have our speedometer, we have the temperature outside, which way we're facing, and how many kilometers, only 4,000, not too bad at all. You also got your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip info, your stop-start options, audio, messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options here, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. Plus right over here we do have the controls over the windshield wipers. Right in the center here you do have your display, your touchscreen display, so you do have your AM and your FM there, as well as you do have your media devices if you have one hooked up through your USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You got your phone options here, your compass, your climate control, and you do also have your more. It is a dual climate system for you and your passenger, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. Down here you do also have your gear shift, just like that. Electronic parking brake right there. Volume up and down with the mute. Your stop start options. You also have your traction control, your browser, screen off, hazard lights and back button. AC and circulation, heat up and down, off. You also have your mode here and your front and rear defrost. Bit of storage here and here. You also have a USB and an aux cord plug in there, and some storage in there with some coin holders. Even more storage. You got 4 cup holders right there. And over here you do have your locking glove box. It looks great. Up top you do have your sunglass holder, and you also got this little mirror right here if you did need it. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. Lots of room back here. It does seat 7 people altogether. Very nice seats as well. They are stow and go, as I said, so all you gotta do is fold this guy up right here, just like this. Then all you gotta do is pull this little guy here, and it does fold right into the floor, just like that. Then you can fold this over top, and then it's out of the way. If you do the same with all of it, there's lots of room. You do also have 3 seats back there with your cup holders on the side. Looks great. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica LX. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.